Welcome to Math Plus, where math makes sense. Multiply a fraction by a fraction. I think this is the easiest operation of all of the operations with fractions. So let's start with small numbers. 1/2 times 2/3. The rules for multiplying fractions are you multiply the numerators and then you multiply the denominators. So 1 times 2 is 2, and 2 times 3 is 6. And then you will want to simplify your answer. So 2 over 6, we can simplify by dividing by 2 over 2, and it equals 1/3. 2 divided by 2 is 1, 6 divided by 2 is 3. And that is my final answer. So again, multiplying a fraction by a fraction, you just multiply the numerators and then multiply the denominators and then simplify your answer. So let's try a couple more here. And let's see what it looks like with some bigger numbers. 5 over 6 times 3 over 8. Simply multiply the numerators. 5 times 3 is 15. 6 times 8 is 48. And again, we want to simplify. And you may want to use your multiplication chart to look for a common factor, or you can just trial and error. For example, I know that 3 will divide into both of these. So if I divide this fraction by 3 over 3, I can simplify it because it will give me an equivalent fraction. 15 divided by 3 is 5. 48 divided by 3 is 16. So my final answer is 5 over 16. 3/4 multiplied by 2/7. 3 times 2 is 6. 4 times 7 is 28. Now remember, whenever you see a fraction where both the numerator and denominator are even, you automatically know that you can reduce it by dividing it by 2 over 2. So let's divide this by 2 over 2. 6 divided by 2 is 3. 28 divided by 2 is 14. So my final answer is 3 over 14. Again, multiplying a fraction by a fraction, you just multiply the numerators, multiply the denominators, and then simplify your answer.